Doha Abdelhamid, EVALMENA, representative to the IOCE board. I find the conference a great opportunity to exchange knowledge and learning among participants from different contexts and different countries on aspects of credibility, use, and independence of evaluations. I was given through the conference the opportunity to talk about the case of Egypt and the MENA region before the revolution, before the Arab Spring, and in the current situation, while Egypt is growing to a more stable context and system. Prior to the revolution, there were country-led initiatives by the government, by a number of champions on how to devise, institute, and stabilize a system for monitoring and evaluation, and with a focus on development and citizen needs. Unfortunately, this system was reversed by a government shuffle prior to the revolutions. When the revolutions came, it happened that myself and a group of distinguished academics and colleagues, we have started a situation analysis on the situation and the need of development monitoring and evaluation in the post-revolutionary context. The need is there, but the challenges are really high, especially when it comes to aspects relating to independence, credibility, and use of evaluations. As we grow out of the unstable situation, there is definitely a need to build capacities in evaluators and to create an awareness campaign to the media, to the parliament, and those who are drafting at the moment the constitution. And I'm speaking of drafting. This is the third time in 3 years that we are redrafting our constitution. Aspects such as having an embedded article within the constitution specifying the need for policy, program, and project evaluation is a necessity. So far, all evaluations have been driven by the development partners. There has to be a real stakeholding from the civil society, from the government, and from parliaments on the need and the use of evaluations. As well, quality assurance standards and codes of ethics and impartiality clauses that would ensure evaluations are conducted in the appropriate sense and at a high quality standards, and they are used and the talk is rolled into action really is quite an important thing. Prior to the revolution, there was no documentation of development except figures, and I would say dumb figures, so because they were not interpreted into development, and those were the root causes for the revolutions: bread, freedom, social justice, and human dignity.